Hey everyone, my name is Hunter Cooperman, and I'm one of the programmers on FTC Team 11454 at the Penguineers. And today I want to provide a brief little introduction about a new series of programming tutorials I'm going to be launching, called FTC OnBot Java Shorts. Now, these tutorials are going to be a little bit different than the average tutorial you might see on YouTube, which would walk you through a bit of Java, show you how to set up Android Studio in OnBot Java, and then teach you how to program your first autonomous, teleop, and hardware map programs. And those tutorials are a great starting point, but what we've noticed is that there are always a few teams, at least in the South Carolina region, that never really advance beyond that point. You know, they kind of follow the tutorials up to the point where they end, and then they get confused and they don't necessarily know where or how to advance their programming skill. And as the season progresses, they just let engineering take the front seat and programming kind of reluctantly comes second. And that's a shame, because advancing your programming skills enables you to do crazy cool things with your robot and find innovative ways to score points in totally different ways that engineering just doesn't allow you to do. And so FTC OnBot Java Shorts is aimed at covering the sort of gray area between where the basic tutorials leave off and the more advanced skills like odometry and pure pursuit algorithms. Now, each video is going to cover a specific little individual skill that you can use to advance your coding knowledge and add to your programming repertoire. We're going to start off super duper basic, just talking about basic scaling down your speed in teleop. And then we're going to move on to things that are a little bit more advanced, like object-oriented programming. And then at the end, we're going to cover things like mechanism wheels and coders, and depending on how much time I have in the summer, perhaps covering odometry and discussing creating your own TensorFlow object detection model. So I just wanted to provide a little brief introduction to these tutorials, and I hope you'll stay tuned and continue watching them as they come out. Don't forget to subscribe.